Hey guys, in this video we'll go over how to get a student discount on your Presto card. Now to get a student discount on your Presto card for Go Transit and UPA Express, you need to apply for a Go Transit student ID. You can come here to their website, gotransit.com, and then you can click on apply. So you go to student savings, go to post secondary discount, go to that section, and then you can also search it right here and then click on apply now here and start saving. Okay, so you can just purchase the Presto card if you don't have one, and finally just redeem the Presto voucher, which the code is what you'll receive upon arrival. Okay, it's really that easy and simple, guys. So this is the process. I can do a quick overview again. You just apply online for a Go Transit student ID, and then you purchase a Presto card for $4 if you don't have one already, and then you redeem your Presto voucher. When your application is approved, you'll receive an email, with the image of your approved Go Transit student ID and a Presto voucher code. Okay, and just follow the simple steps on the website to redeem your voucher. Just log into your Presto card account, click on My Cards, click on Redeem Voucher, and then submit your voucher code. Really that easy and simple, so I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.